In the last 5 years, I was able to generate more than $10 million in revenue with my dropshipping business. And even this brand new dropshipping store that I created 90 days ago, I was able to scale from 0 to 200K plus in 90 days. So in today's video, I will try to 7x your dropshipping business within the next 12 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to set a timer for 12 minutes and I will get it started. Okay, so let's start with number one for 7x your dropshipping business. So first of all, you need to stop with your inconsistent ad results. A lot of people that I see are facing this problem. They are trying to scale, but then the inconsistency hits. And I can tell you why. You're probably using still Facebook ads and TikTok ads for your dropshipping business. But I can tell you, if you use these platforms, the inconsistency stays in your business. As soon as I stopped running Facebook ads and TikTok ads, finally the consistency came in. Look at how consistent these results are. I have been scaling week over week since I stopped using Facebook ads and TikTok ads. I'm using only Google ads for my dropshipping store. So please, after this video, launch your first Google Ads campaign, because I can tell you this platform will give you the consistency. Why? People are looking for your product already on Google, not on Facebook and TikTok. So this is why you're seeing inconsistent results, okay? So now let's go to step number 2. Now you need to use more budget. So many people are afraid of spending more money. I literally see this every time. You launch a campaign with $10 or $20, then after $5 or $10, when you don't have a sale, you kill the whole campaign and you kill the whole product. This does not make sense. You need more budget. You guys can see for the 200K plus in results, I spent 100K. And at the beginning, it was not that profitable. But at the end, right now, as you guys can see, now we're doing almost 10K days with a ROAS of 3 because I spent more money. I literally spent more money, get more feedback, give the algorithm more feedback and data as well. So please use more budget. Don't be afraid. Point number 3 is look at a longer time frame. A lot of people are checking their Shopify live view every 10 seconds and refresh the other campaigns like every 5 minutes. That's stupid. Just look at a 7-day time frame. I only scale or decrease my campaigns every week based on the 7-day time frame. Spend some money, let it run for 7 days and look back at the data. Don't micromanage yourself because you will get lunatic, okay? Step number 4 is optimize your store above the fold. What do I mean with that? If we take this store that I've used many times, this store is doing this very well. You see how high the add to cart button is? Why? This is the fold. Everything above this add to cart button is above the fold. Back in the days when people got the newspaper, when the newspaper was delivered, it was being folded. So when you wanted to open, you saw above the fold the first headline, the first image, and a catching text in there. So it took your attention. That's exactly what you should be doing here. Everything above the fold needs to be colorful and needs to be optimized. Great product title, great offer, and great product images. That's it. The rest below the add to cart doesn't matter that much because people mostly read only this part. Okay? So optimize your store above the fold with the urgency and the scarcity and a good offer. Point number 5 is use AI tools for speed. What I do is I use it for product listing and customer support. So if you guys go to my YouTube channel and you go to my last video, you guys will see how I made almost $7,000 with AI dropshipping within 24 hours. I show you exactly what kind of tool I'm using and how you guys can use it as well. The tool is in the description. I will put it in the description in this video as well. It's Catalister. I launch 50 to 100 products per day on my dropshipping store with just AI. So I don't use any VAs. This is just like on autopilot, which is insane. And from customer support, I use AI chatbots, I use DeepL translations, I use Gorgeous translations, all based on AI, so my customers get quicker responses in the customer support, okay? So step number 6, test more markets. What I see, what you guys do mostly, you go into one market and you optimize the store for one market, but then maybe the market doesn't work. You should be trying first the market that you're used to, but expand in more markets. Guess what happened with my store? I have added so many markets that now I'm running actively in 9 markets and I've tested, I believe, 12. Now this store is printing in 9 markets. And even in today, now we have already generated 2K in revenue which is really, really good. And it's just here at 9 a.m. in the morning, and we do already 2K in 7 to 9 different markets, I believe. So test more markets. You will be shocked how many markets are still untapped. I run in Switzerland, I run in Australia, Canada, US, Italy, Spain, UK, like all the markets, that's what I test, okay? So then step number 7. Step number 7 is get a coach and a mentor. Yes, it sounds maybe a little bit cliche, but please use someone that has walked the path already or is doing the exact results that you want to try to achieve, because you can learn so much more from these people. My business went 10x as soon as I got my first mentor. And my first mentor told me, you need to test more products. I was only testing, I believe, like 5 products a week. He was doing, you should be doing this per day. That was the golden key nugget that I got back in the days, and my business exploded. If you guys want to work with me, yes, we have the Freedom Achievers community in the description. I teach people how to make 1K a day within 90 days with Google and dropshipping. I think this is very, very low, because you guys can see I made 200K in 90 days. But I promise you, you can make 1K a day in 90 days with dropshipping, only with Google, if you join Freedom Achievers. But if you're not working with me, fine, that's no problem. But please pick a coach and a mentor and apply the information, okay? Point number 8, experiment more. Try to experiment more into your ad budget, into your campaigns, into your store. Use different colors, use more markets. Literally experiment more. The more experiments you do, the more feedback you get. And like one experiment that goes well can double your business instantly. That's what happened with my business. I experimented with like these untapped EU markets, and it exploded my business. And since then, you guys can see we have been scaling like crazy. And around this point, I've added more markets, because here it was more consistent. And then boom, it exploded again because I added more markets. Okay. Point number 9, build a great team. You need to have a team of A players that can help you launch this business to the next level. Make sure you have a good team. Check with them daily or even weekly, and check your KPIs and your metrics. You need to have a team. If you're doing everything alone, you will be stuck forever. You need to try to hire as soon as possible. And probably you've heard this many times before, but this is just a reminder: hire as quick as possible so you have more input and also more output. If you double the input in your business, I can guarantee you, you will double the output. And then last but not least, point number 10, lock in for at least 90 days. Don't see dropshipping as a side business or a side hustle and just make some coins. If you lock in for 90 days, you can make 250K plus USD with 30% profit margin, and your life can change completely within 90 days. That's what happened back in the days with me in 2020 when I locked in for 6 weeks and I made my first 200K back then, just because I was locked in for 6 weeks. So this is what I tell you: if you lock in for at least 90 days, you will see the results, and you have tested this business model to its full potential. You should be having the focus. Don't have the shiny object syndrome and think that the grass is greener when you do YouTube automation or Amazon FBA or anything else. Try a business model for at least 90 days. Which business can you start with a 1K, 2K budget and make 200K in 90 days? I don't know any other business that you can do, but with dropshipping you can do. But you should be locked in for at least 90 days. So guys, I think I just I finished it. Yeah, I just have still more than 2 minutes left, which is really, really good. So if you use these 10 points, I can guarantee you your dropshipping store will 7x, like literally, like it has done with me, as you guys can see. It's insane how quickly your dropshipping business can go bananas when you just implement these steps. So if you guys are wanting and willing to work with me, first link in the description is the Freedom Achievers community, where we teach you how to make 1K a day within 90 days using only Google Ads. And if you want to see how I implemented all these stuff and how I used the AI tools to make almost 7K per day with dropshipping, you should be checking out this video, because that's exactly what I explained in that one. For now, thank you for watching this one, and I see you in the next. Bye-bye.